Your entrance hallway sets the tone for your entire home. Whether you're aiming for rustic charm or sleek modern elegance, thoughtful corridor design ideas can elevate your space and make a lasting impression. In this guide, we'll explore entrance hallway designs, from DIY corridor decor to comprehensive renovation projects. For a cozy and inviting feel, rustic design ideas are a timeless choice. Incorporate wooden finishes, warm lighting, and vintage decor elements. Rustic entrance hallway ideas can include reclaimed wood benches, coat racks made from natural materials, and earthy tones that create a welcoming vibe. If you prefer a clean, contemporary look, modern entrance hallway ideas offer endless inspiration. Think minimalist furniture, bold lighting fixtures, and sleek finishes. Modern designs often emphasize functionality and style, making them perfect for smaller spaces or those with a preference for simplicity. Creating a unique entrance doesn't have to break the bank. Do-it-yourself corridor decor allows you to personalize your space while staying within budget. Add a gallery wall, install floating shelves, or upcycle old furniture into chic hallway pieces. DIY corridor ideas can be both fun and practical, giving your home a personal touch. If you're planning a larger project, entrance hallway renovation ideas can transform even the most outdated spaces. From selecting the perfect flooring to installing modern lighting, a well-executed renovation enhances the aesthetics and functionality of your hallway. Use mirrors to make narrow spaces feel larger. Choose a consistent color palette for a cohesive look. Combine functional elements like shoe storage with decorative touches. Incorporate indoor plants for a touch of greenery. Your entrance and corridor are more than just transitional spaces. They are an opportunity to showcase your style and creativity. Whether you prefer rustic entrance hallway designs or modern corridor ideas, these tips will help you craft a stunning first impression. If you enjoyed these entrance hallway ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite design. Subscribe to our channel for more creative decor and renovation inspiration.